Alright, let's say you've built a really cool app on Atlassian or App Store or Play Store, and tons of loads of reviews are coming in for it, and you're not able to figure what exactly to do with it. There's a lot of data lying around which could be put to use. You can say that AI has been termed as the next electricity, but you're not able to harness it and improve your product even more. That is where Product Score comes to help you. We provide you with the AI tools or the electricity that your product needs to improve. Using our tools, you'll be able to go beyond just reading reviews to having full-fledged reports for your product, and that too in just a few seconds.
Alright, this is how our app functions. Looks complex, but I'll explain it. First, the user tries to enter the key of the Atlassian Play Store or the App Store app. Next, our app makes a call to an own REST API built using Python. The API tries to find your app and tries to figure out meaningful things like emotional traits, behavioral traits, and much more from your product using natural language processing. And once this complex processing has been done, it returns the generated reports to our app, which is what we'll see in the app. Now, what's really awesome is that all these things happen in just a few seconds of time. So if we compare that to manually reading your own product reviews, that is indeed a lot of time saved to upscale your product even more. Assuming that the app has already been installed, let's try to see how it works. Create a space in Confluence. Type in the title. And let's try to add a backward space followed by product score, which would show our app right here. Now click on the double arrow, then click on publish. Alright, it works. So let's try to test the app with a link. So let's go with the App Store. Enter this here, and then let's click on Analyze. Alright, you can see that the reports are generated here. I'll talk more about these reports in the next section. You can also try it with other app markets. So let's say I want to try it with Instagram. So all I have to do is just have to paste this here. Or I could create it in a different box if I want it. So this is for a Play Store, or I could test it with an Atlassian app. And click on Analyze. So yeah, that's it from now. Now that we have seen the demo, let's have a look at the reports and see what it is about. Firstly, we're separating the reviews from positive to negative using sentiment analysis, which is a machine learning tool used to analyze the polarity of text. Emotional traits, as the name suggests, tries to find what are the emotions behind these reviews using an NLP model. So here we can see the various emotions in this. The behavioral traits use Big 5 traits to analyze the personality of your reviews and what they are like using NLP. So here we can see your behavioral traits, empathy, or for instance, we can see action and much more. The overall rating is general distribution of how users have rated the product over time. Next, we have the ratings historic data. So this plot is a time series plot that shows the variance of the ratings with respect to the time, which could be used to analyze how a product has performed over time. The top keywords graph tries to use NLP tools such as NLTK to find the top keywords in your reviews and depict them for us. Finally, we have the IPTC graph, which tries to find relevant topics from the reviews that are collected. So here we can see various relevant topics like economic sector, software, customer goods, and a lot more. And what's really interesting is that these graphs are interactive, meaning that we can interact with them and save them as well if we wanted to. Coming to the end of this presentation, we are really happy to provide the power of AI, or to be more specific, the power of natural language processing, so that it is accessible to all teams or individuals alike. This is the goal that we had started with, and we are really happy that we were able to accomplish it.